Fado. In the kingdom of Ossory, there was a tribe with the power to heal. When Knave Pádraig came to tell the people of the new religion, they stayed apart from the other tribes, for they would not give up the Al ways. When the holy man preached, they howled like wolves from the forest to remind the people that there was another, older wisdom in the woods. Some say that Pádraig cursed them, others that he blessed them. But the result was the same. Evermore, they would walk as people by day and roam as wolves by night. Leaving their human form behind, any harm or good that befell them as wolves, they felt in their waking form too. They were a proud breed, living with the wild wolves, keeping the peace between man and the wilderness. And so, it's thanks to St. Patrick that I'm here today to say, Beannachtaí lá Féile Pádraig. Happy Paddy's Day!